Making $1,000 a day online seems impossible, right? But what if I told you it's not impossible at all? In fact, I'm about to show you exactly how I made $1,000 per day and more than that sometimes. And I want you to be able to copy my exact steps. Now, to be honest with you, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme and this won't make you a millionaire in 1 week. However, it is a simple process that anyone can follow, and it doesn't require any fancy tech or special skills. So just stick with me, and I'll break it down in the easiest way possible. But a few years ago, you have to know, I was just like you. I was struggling to pay my bills and I felt stuck. I didn't come from a rich family. My father's a nurse and my mother is a nursing assistant. I didn't have any connections to help me out. So I knew I had to do something different if I wanted a better life. But here's the thing. I didn't want to work hard my whole life for someone else's business. I wanted freedom. So I decided to look for ways to make money online. I tried all sorts of online business models. I did dropshipping. I tried affiliate marketing. And I even tried selling random products. I wanted to make money so badly, but nothing worked. I spent months trying to figure it all out. But eventually, I had this breakthrough moment. I realized that all of these trendy business models weren't the key. The secret wasn't in chasing the next big thing. It was in solving real problems. Once I figured that out, everything changed. I started making $1,000 a day. And the best part is, that $1,000 was almost all pure profit. Now, I want to show you how I did it. You don't need fancy software or a huge following to get started. You can use your laptop and your own experiences to make it happen. So here's the simple, step-by-step process that helped me go from struggling to making over $1,000 a day in profit online. Step 1. Create an offer that solves a real problem. The first thing you need to do is to create an offer. Now, an offer is just something that you're going to sell to people. But here's the thing. You don't need to have some fancy product or service. You don't even need to invent something new. The key is to think about what problems people are facing and then create something that helps them to solve that problem. I didn't have to invent a new product or come up with some complicated solution. All I did was think about the things I knew from my own life and how those things could help other people. For example, maybe you've learned how to deal with stress, or maybe you're really good at cooking healthy meals, or maybe you know how to help people to save money. Whatever it is, there's someone out there who would pay you to learn from you. The best part about this is that you don't need a fancy degree or a ton of experience. All you need is your own knowledge and your own story. Think about what you're good at or something you've gone through and figure out how you can help others with that. This is how I created my first offer, and it was that simple. I didn't overthink it. I just asked myself, what do I know that could help people? Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Step 2. Get traffic to your offer. Once you have something to offer, you need to get people to see it. This is where most people get stuck. But I'm going to keep it simple for you. You don't need to spend a lot of money on ads, and you don't need a huge following to get started. What really worked for me was creating short form videos on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These short videos are super popular right now because they're quick to make, easy to watch for people, and they can catch people's attention. They're pushed down by the algorithm. So you don't even need to make long, complicated videos at first. Instagram is the best part to do it because you can message people. The key here is to post consistently. Post these short videos regularly, every day, and make sure you're speaking to the people who need your help. But it's not just about getting views or likes on your videos. What's more important is that you target the right audience. Don't just post random stuff to get likes. Make sure your videos are talking to the people who have the problem you're solving. For example, if you're teaching people how to save money, make sure you're targeting people who are struggling with their finances or at least interested in managing their personal finances. On top of creating videos, I also reached out to people directly. You can use Facebook groups, Reddit, and even the comment sections of other videos to talk to people who might need what you have to offer. Now, the best place to do it is still on social media. I don't really recommend Reddit. It wasn't about spamming people. It was about connecting with them and offering value. So don't be afraid to reach out and talk to people. the more you put yourself out there, the more you'll start to get noticed. Step 3. Making sales through conversations. Here's the part that most people mess up. They think that making sales is about getting a ton of likes or having a viral video. It's really not. Making sales is about having real conversations with people. When someone shows interest in what you're offering, that's your chance to talk to them and really understand what they need. The best way to do this is always by asking questions. Don't just pitch your offer right away. You don't even know if it will help them. Instead, ask people about their struggles and what they're looking for. Listen to them. Once you understand their problem, you can show them how your offer is the solution. This doesn't have to be some hard sell, pushy conversation. Just be yourself and offer your solution in a way that feels natural. A lot of people think sales is about convincing someone to buy. But really, sales is just about showing someone that you have something that can help them. If you've been listening to their problems and showing them that you understand, they'll be much more likely to trust you and to buy from you. Step 4. Delivering results without complications. So you made a sale. Congratulations. You've gotten ahead of 99% of people by sticking through it. Now it's time to deliver. But here's the thing. Delivering results doesn't mean it has to be complicated. I didn't need an expensive software or a big team to get started. All I used was simple tools like Zoom for calls, WhatsApp, and Google Docs. These tools are free, and they're all you need to get started. Your focus should be on delivering real results for your clients. Don't worry about fancy systems or overcomplicating things. If you promised someone that you would help them with a problem, make sure you follow through. That's the most important part. You don't need to have a perfect system in place. All you need to do is show up, help your clients, and make sure they get the results they're looking for. The more you focus on delivering, the more people will start to trust you, and the more you will start to get repeat clients and referrals. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Step 5. Keep improving and iterating. The last step is about improvement. You're going to make mistakes, and that's okay. The key is to learn from them. Ask yourself, what worked? What didn't? What can you do better next time? Constantly improving your process is what will help you scale your business. After a few sales, you'll start to see patterns. You'll know exactly how to create your offers, how to get traffic, how to make sales, and how to deliver results. But it's not going to happen overnight. You've got to keep going, even when things don't go as planned. The good news is that once you start making money, you can reinvest that money into your business to make more money. Maybe you spend a little more on ads, or maybe you hire someone to help you out. But as long as you keep improving, you will keep making more money and getting closer to your goals. Here's the truth. You don't need a massive audience, fancy tools, or viral content to start. I didn't have any of that when I got started. All you need is a simple plan and the guts to stick with it. And the best part? You don't even need a website to get going. You can start with just your phone and your knowledge. Once you start making money, reinvest it into your business. Keep growing, keep improving, and keep solving painful problems for people and getting paid. So that's basically how I made over $1,000 a day. And that's how you can do it too. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and don't give up. Now, I know that a minority of people are going to take action and stop at nothing to win. If that's you, then click the link in the description below, because I've made a video where I'm going to explain in more detail how I've been able to make $1,000 per day in profit with my business. And right now, we're offering a few free strategy calls with me or a member of my team to help you come up with a custom game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less. But be quick, because we get very busy, so spots fill up fast, and soon we'll take that video down. So click on the link in the description below. And with that being said, I'll see you on the other side.